Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to download and install Boo dating application on your Android or iOS device. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your Android device or your iOS device depending upon your device's operating system. Now, go to the search box at the top and type in Boo and search. Look for the Boo Dating Friends Chat, this application over here from Boo Enterprises Inc. And then tap the install or the get button to start downloading the app on your smartphone. On your iOS, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID or your Apple ID password. This will now begin the download process. Wait for a few minutes until the download is complete. Once it is done, click on Open. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed Boo application on your Android device or your iOS device. You can now continue logging in or creating an account with Apple ID, Google Accounts credential, or with your email. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.